Well, hey there. How's it going? It's been a while since we had one of these conversations. What have you been up to? I've been up to a lot. There's been a lot of changes coming down the pipe. You haven't seen me on here for a while, but I guarantee you that I've been busy. I've been getting a lot of work done. Yeah. Learned a lot too. Anyway, reason you're here is because you're probably wondering what I'm going to be doing and what I'm talking about and what's coming down the pipe. And I can't tell you that right now. But what I can tell you is if you head on over to Flat Fender Customs, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, that's where you're going to be finding me. And all the adventures that we've been on. Going on. Because this is recorded in the past, but I'm recording more stuff for the future. It's a little confusing, but I promise it's all going to make sense. So, for those of you who've been sticking around since back when it was Veteran Welding, before it was VetBuilt, thank you. It means a lot. Seriously, it means a lot. And if you enjoyed what we were doing over on VetBuilt, you're going to love what I'm doing over at Flat Fender Customs. See you guys over there. Cheers. Stay focused.